Hello, friends! Welcome back to another exciting lesson in Phonics. Today, we're going to learn some new consonant sounds, review some old ones, discover a new vowel sound, and then blend them together to make real words. Are you ready? Let's go! The letter G.
The letter G makes the sound G. Open your mouth and let your voice come from the back of your throat. G. 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 We hear it in words like goat, girl, gift. The letter C can make the sound K. It's a strong puff of air from your tongue. K. 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 We hear it in words like cat, cup, cap. The letter K. The letter K also makes the sound K. It makes the same sound as C. K. 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 We hear it in words like kid, kit, kite. The short O. The short O makes the sound ah. Say it with me. Ah. 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 We hear it in words like octopus, orange, ostrich. Blending time. Now let's put consonants and vowels together to make real words. With short O. G, ah, d, God. K, ah, d, cod. K, ah, g, cog. N, ah, d, nod. With short A, k, a, n, can. With short I, k, I, d, kid. K, I, n, kin. Fantastic job, everyone! Today we learned 3 new consonant sounds. Letter G sounds as G. Letter C sounds as K. And letter K also sounds as K. We also learned a new vowel. Letter O sounds as ah. And we blended letters to read real words. Read them after me. Can, God, cod, cog, nod, kid, kin. You're becoming amazing readers!